Hey guys, Super Shark TV back with another video, and today I've got a cosmic toy box. So my mum ordered this for me and I have no idea what's in this. It's from this shop, basically where they put random things and I don't know what it is. So I'm going to get straight into it because I want to find out what's in it. So let me get it open. Okay, there is bubble wrap. Whoa, so the first thing I've just seen is this. Super Mario Bros. Wii. I don't have this game, but I'm going to get it. That's awesome. Cool. And then, the second thing I've seen is this. Pokemon Black and White Pocket Comics. Nice. Then we have some Minecraft collectible sticker cards, and I have some more of these. So I have two of them in there. Then we have something that's in bubble wrap. It's a mug, and it is Batman movie The Cup. That's cool. And I've just we have the Spider Jockey pack, and one last thing, sadly. Sonic Mega Drive. I hit myself in the eye. So yeah, this is it for the box. There's nothing else in there. Let's open the stuff. So, first of all, I think we'll start with this Pokemon. No, changed my mind. Let's start with the Spider Jockey set. So, cool. So we have a saddle. I'm guessing the saddle doesn't work. Okay, let's leave that till later. We have 3 little, forgotten the name, silverfish. We have a bow, an arrow, a bow, just a bow, and a come on out, Mr. Skeleton. Yay! Oh no, his leg. It's okay, I'll fix that later. His leg came off. Doesn't work. Okay, I'll leave that for later. Right. Then we have, I think I'm going to go with these Minecraft collectible sticker cards now. So I'm going to open this one. 3 stickers per pack. Yeah, got it. I have whatever these pieces are, and this, Oh, you're supposed to make the picture on the front. I see. And then I have... Oh, there's different puzzles that you can make. I see. Oh, no, you have to collect them. Okay. We have another one. Another piece. Another piece. Another piece. Then we have the same thing again. Then we have this here, Pokemon Pocket Comics. It's just like little comics with battles. Very, very thick. Very, very thick. Oh no! My stuff! It fell! The box! The box! No! I'll fix that later. Let me have this. Trying to get the tape off. Okay. Super Mario Bros. Wii. And this is what I got. And it comes with this little stand, and you basically put that in the hole on the bottom of his, I don't know, and it fits on. Yay. Cool. And the last thing is this mug. Official mug, it says. Okay, so this is to all your Super Shark TV fans. Thanks for watching. This is the end of this video. See ya. Bye.